After the wild cliffs of Big Sur, Highway 1 carries us north toward the gentler coast of Carmel and Monterey. We have just traveled past the famous Bixby Creek Bridge, one of the most recognizable landmarks on California Highway 1. The highway continues between steep coastal slopes and brief views of the Pacific, following every curve in the land. Orange cones mark the shoulder near a small pullout, while the two-lane road remains narrow against the hillside. Layered coastal hills appear beneath fast-moving clouds, giving this northbound drive a constantly changing backdrop. Double yellow lines guide us through a broad bend cut into the slope, with the Pacific opening beyond the guardrail. Curve warnings remind drivers how closely Highway 1 follows the rugged edge of the California coast. Sunlight breaks through the clouds and briefly brightens the ocean, the rocky slopes, and the roadside plants. The pavement rises gently around another exposed ridge, still surrounded by open land and coastal scenery. We are now heading toward Carmel, where Monastery Beach forms a broad strip of pale sand beside Highway 1. Red-brown rock and dense coastal vegetation add warmer color as the road leaves the most rugged section of Big Sur behind. Beyond Monastery Beach, the route continues toward Carmel-by-the-Sea and Monterey Bay, linking one famous coastal landmark to the next. This is 7080 Working Diary. See you on the next road. Goodbye.